Hi there, welcome to Anyone's Yoga. Today we are going to do figure fours. It's great for opening the hips, but caution, if you have had hip surgery, a hip replacement, or you just have really tight hips that resist these a lot, you can do what I am doing in parallel. Keep the legs in parallel, and you can do everything that I'm doing that way, okay? Or just don't do this particular video and use the other ones, all right? I just want to make sure that we stay safe. Let's begin. So what I mean by parallel is if I just stayed here and I dropped right into this pose, I'm doing yoga, all right? But if I want to do figure fours, I take a leg and I turn it out. The standing leg goes soft. I'm going to take this across, or I can lift it up on my thigh. I keep a flexed foot protecting the knee, and I make sure that knee relaxes out, yeah? Arms forward, and I sit it back. Now this is where I'll get, oh yeah, hello hips. There you go. Now remember, this is for the hips, so if balance becomes an issue, just hold on to something, anything to give you, right, a little balance. I come up, and I try the other side. Let's try it here. Standing, turned out. Flexed foot across. Now I soften that standing knee, yes? Or I put it on the thigh. Arms up and forward, and sit back. I'm just trying to keep my knee open to the side. Releasing the hips. Breathing and coming out. Now I can do that same standing figure four by holding my foot in my hand and then taking it to the other hand. Look what I did. Figure four behind the thigh now. Little more balance required. So you might want to hold on to something or just soften the knee, kick behind you. Oh, it's a beautiful opening here. Maybe reach. Just like so. Breathing. There's no timetable to these. Hold a little or hold a little longer, kick a little more. Release. Let's try the other side, yeah? Standing. How did I do that again? I put same side, hand and foot. Then I switch it to make the figure four. Now I've got it in this hand. Soft knee, kick. But just feel that press away. Just like that. Reach. Maybe, yeah? Just like that. And I let it go. I'm going to take you to the floor with me for more figure fours. Watch what I do. I'll start from this side, but you'll also see it from another angle. If I lay on my back and my feet are parallel here, I can pick up one foot and turn it out. My knee pushes away. See that flexed foot? And notice I'm on my thigh, not on my knee. I could stay right here. That's a big turnout. If I want a little more, I bring this knee over hip. Some people like to reach through. I lots of times like to just lay back and keep this knee open. 2 flex feet now, right? Breathing, being there as long as you want, and down. Now as I go to the other side, I'll show you from this angle. Look at how we create the figure four. Right here. Flexed, knee away. Body relaxed down. Hold here. Breathing. Or kicking that foot off the floor. I'm just trying for knee over hip. And this knee turned out. Just like that. Maybe it would feel good to push that one foot up to the sky. It's all figure four. It's all good. And then we release. I come out of this. I'm gonna roll to one side. We're gonna do one more set of seated figure four. Ready? Now you have options. I can be on my hands or I can be on my elbows. Now again, remember how we talked about figure fours and hips? Maybe you just rock it, yeah? But if you can do a figure four, turning out, flexed foot, then I rock it. And as you move this, the hip will definitely talk to you a little bit. What feels good, what's a little tight. Just be gentle. Just be gentle with yourself, yeah? Can I do this on hands? Yeah, I can. What feels good? Now, if I let this foot come all the way over the top, it can become our little seated twist that we've done before. This foot can tuck under or it can just go long. Then I get a nice little twist with it and a little stretch here, up and down the outside of the leg and hip. Just to kind of finish it off. Yeah? All right, I'm gonna unwind. We're gonna try the other side. So again, start here or start here. You choose. I lift, turn out, flex foot, knee away. Yeah, here or here. And I rock it. Just let it rock. How's it on this side? Many times we have one hip that feels a little better than the other for any reason, number of reasons. So just know it, just know your body. If I took this one to the floor and let it land, I can bring this leg in or around. I want to be able to sit with this and just really hug it and feel the stretch here, yeah? There you go. Breathing. And releasing your hips into figure four. There you go. Have a wonderful day. Bye.